Welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as circumvent. 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 Let's see its meaning. It's a verb. It means finding a way around an obstacle, avoid something. The hacker managed to circumvent the security system and gain access to sensitive data. She tried to circumvent the rules by submitting her application through an official channel. They found a clever way to circumvent the traffic by taking a series of back roads. The company created a new strategy to circumvent the rising costs of raw materials. Let's see more sentences. He attempted to circumvent the problem rather than addressing it directly. The team had to circumvent several obstacles to complete the project on time. By using legal loopholes, they were able to circumvent the strict regulations. The student tried to circumvent the plagiarism detection software by rephrasing the copied text. Thank you for watching.